Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's Saturday morning, like 9 o'clock a.m. It's 59 degrees, if you can believe it. Feels a little hotter with the sun out, but man, we're getting close to fall, huh? For sure. Today, I'm gonna finally try to put this one to bed. I gotta power wash this whole thing, right? Give it a test drive. I gotta lower the throttle because at times when I first started, I mean, super high RPMs, you know? So I gotta find a way to adjust the throttle, the linkage maybe, idle screw, all that stuff on the carburetor, just to make sure it's not revving way too high, and I think it is. So that should be a very easy adjustment. But right now we're gonna just power wash the whole thing because I'm gonna, you know, touch it up a little bit, paint the foot pad area, you know, black maybe a strip of black in the front to cover up this black tape, you know. I was considering painting the whole thing to sunrise red with black rims, you know what I mean? That always, I mean, I've done like 3 of those already, identical, you know? And it would sell well, but the reason why I painted those was because the body, the paint was in such bad condition that it needed a paint job. This is not bad, you know what I mean? There's only rust around the footwell areas, and just grinding it down and doing some touch-up is going to be fine. So I don't think I'm going to go through the trouble. You know, it is not exactly the best looking engine in the world too, so I'm not going to go through the trouble of painting it red, you know. The paint is not bad. So then paint the deck too, and then this thing should be okay, you know. I might, after all is said and done, I'll try to mow my front yard with it and see if everything runs well. But didn't take that long, you know. It's not my usual 10 or 15 episode thing on a repower project. You know, repower project's going to take long. Remember, I had 3 extra episodes of this one just rebuilding the engine, you know what I mean? So in retrospect, this entire thing didn't take as long as a regular repower, even though I pretty much built this from the ground up too, you know. But I don't think I'm going to be doing any more of these things. It takes too long, you know, for very little money actually. I don't think I can get more than 600 for this if I was totally lucky. I think I probably could get rid of it for about 500 next spring, you know. I don't have any more tractors to sell. This one and the beige one is it. That's it. That's all I got. That and also the Rodimus Prime, and I might try to get that going, you know, sometime. And then fall coming, the leaves are going to come off the trees, and I'm going to need a lawn tractor with a bagger. And the only one I have is the Toro 616Z, my 0-turn, which I haven't used the entire year. But it's inevitable. I'm going to have to start that baby up this year, put on the bagger system so I can suck up the leaves. Got that Review power washer plugged in. See if it works. Okay. Shout out to Russell Puckett from Stockton, California. He was the winner of the Gas Small Engines Workbook on eBay. There was 3 bidders, and they bid it up to $68, which was pretty much the buy it now price, you know. But thanks a lot to Russell. I know that he did it so that he could contribute to the channel and at the same time get an item that is used in a video and autographed by me. Thanks very much, Russell, for all your support, and I really appreciate it. So there we go. I also blew my driveway out too. So much stuff on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go over this with some ATF on the body. That'll shine it up and give it that green luster back again. The wheels aren't very dirty. I was thinking about just doing the Jason Pate of Pate's Performance touch on it by painting the rims black. It makes it look mean and stuff. But because these rims are so white, you know what I mean, in decent condition, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna give it a coat of black on the deck and the foot area where the rust is. Engine you can't do anything about because that's the cover that I have, and we'll just leave that. Like I said, ATF on the hood. I'm gonna let it bake in the sun a little bit, dry off the water before I do that. But first we're gonna take this around the block for a test drive. I'm gonna get some gas and hope we make it around the block with no issues. Okay, just added some gas, checked the oil, started right up, idles very well. Let's go around the block for the very first time.
Henry, you just made the foot pads dirty.
Shut up. Two is slow. Yeah! Another rebuilt engine and carcass of crap Repower. That's right. Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them in the garage, but they come out driving! some. Awesome. Went around the block, full throttle, no hiccups at all. And then I engaged the PTO a few times while I was riding, and then came back and mowed about 75% of my lawn, and it cuts pretty good. No issues, no scalping, no uneven cuts, pretty straight. Nice. I'm very pleased. So I'm gonna let this dry off a little bit, at least the areas that are still wet on the deck, and then do some paintage. Of course, I have to roll this back into the garage to do paint because, well, I don't know, driveway's black. I don't want to do any overspray on my car. Yeah. So, painted the back. You guys see that? Painted the deck with some flat black, still drying. I painted just this front area where there was rust black with a fade. Whatever, man. Same goes here. Deck looks much better, and covering up the rust spots here with just black. With the black foot pad there over it, it's hardly noticeable. And also did a little bit of touch up here on the top where it was rusty. And now we're going to use automatic transmission fluid and give the body a wipe down. Take a look at it now. Holy cow. Are you amazed? I am amazed. Pretty darn cool, huh, fellers? Gotta put some 5-year-old tire shine. Use this baby up and that's it. This was back when I actually bought stuff.
Henry, buy stuff? I've never seen you buy stuff.
Shut up.
Henry, it's getting all over the driveway.
Oh, shut up. Is this even the same tractor? I'm telling you, night and day. This is good. I'll list it for $575. See what happens, you know what I mean? But turned out pretty well, huh? Pretty good. I'm pretty stoked. Anyway, yeah, thanks a lot for joining me on my multi-episode engine repower, engine rebuild, cleaning this thing up. I'm in it for $25 for the deflector shoot and $28 for that, so I'm in this for $53. Pretty good. Hopefully I'll get over $500 for it. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.